Hi there! Now that we know the benefits of cooking in Miriam's clay pots, I am going to dive straight into making my first stir fry in this today. Ooh, I am so excited! I have seasoned this pot as per instructions and now it is ready to be cooked in. Miriam's earthen pot is the perfect tool for making a delicious and healthy stir fry dish. To make this stir fry, you will need some fresh veggies like beans, broccoli, bell pepper, as well as some sliced chicken breasts. Add some garlic and ginger paste to the sliced chicken and set it aside for some time. Once your earthen pot is heated up on low heat for just a few minutes, add some oil and toss in your chicken. Cover and let it cook for about 5 minutes or so. Next, add your veggies and season with salt and pepper. Stir once, cover and cook till the chicken is tender and the vegetables are almost done. Now you can turn the stove off. With Miriam's, because all the heat given to the pot stays inside the pot, this heat can finish cooking the food. This amazing feature allows you to turn the stove off when food is halfway or 3/4 way done, and that helps save a lot of energy when cooking frequently. Turning the stove off a little early also helps make cleaning a breeze. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy stir fry made right in Miriam's earthen pot. Many of us switch to non-stick pans and other coated cookware as food sticks to the bottom while cooking, but these coatings release toxins. Miriam's earthen pot offers natural non-stick properties and distributes heat evenly, and the difference in the heat compared to other material helps retain the nutrients.